How to add Gmail address to your Facebook profile. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a Gmail address to your Facebook profile. Be sure to watch the video till the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Here, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner to open the menu options. At the top right corner, click on the gear icon to access your settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and look for Profile Details and tap on it. Once there, find the Contact Info section and tap on the pencil icon next to the email address. Next, select Manage Contact Info to view your current contact details, including phone numbers and email addresses. Here, tap on Add New Contact button at the bottom. To add a new email address, tap on the option labeled Add Email Address. Enter your Gmail address into the field provided. To save your changes, enter your Facebook password into the required field and tap Add Email. Your new Gmail address will now appear in the list of contact details. And that's how you can easily add your Gmail address to your Facebook profile. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to my channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.